In the world of real estate, first impressions matter. With virtual tours becoming the norm, cleanliness is no longer optional, it's essential. A spotless home captivates potential buyers, allowing them to envision themselves living there. Imagine a prospective buyer scrolling through listings and coming across a home that looks immaculate. They're more likely to click "Schedule a showing" when the space is tidy, bright, and inviting. This is where TidyTex Home Cleaning steps in, your trusted partner in making homes shine. Our veteran-owned service, based in San Antonio, specializes in preparing homes for sale. We provide fast and flexible cleaning services tailored to realtors' needs, ensuring properties are presentation-ready before open houses or showings. Remember, a little effort goes a long way. Tidy tip for realtors: open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. It brightens the space and showcases the home's best features. Ready to elevate your listings? Contact us today for a cleaning service that closes deals faster. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email.